banks are lending to companies and individuals at a faster pace since the financial crisis, by the way, helping propel the profits to record levels. Banks have hit a 23-year record level in profit for the second quarter of the year. So much of that now has turned 23 years ago when banks are reaching record profits or reaching very high profits. They were doing it as a result of standard kind of banking practices. Today, we don't do that. Today, banks are driven by fees. They're very fee-driven. Everything's about fees, and they're getting an enormous amount of profits from fees, an enormous amount of profits from investing their funds. So proprietary investing. So a lot of that going on. It doesn't indicate, but they do say that there is more lending going on. That should be some pretty good news. They're saying credit ratings are progressively getting better. I talked last week about the the credit agencies change the way they look at certain aspects of your credit. So that's good news. They're looking at hospital expenses. So many people have debt on their credit report that is hospital expenses. They're treating that differently. It's still going to show up. But they're looking at it a little bit differently, and they are going to score that at a lower level than they have before, a lower level being a good thing, not to impact your credit score as it used to. So that's just one of the things that credit agencies are beginning to do, and credit numbers are beginning to get better. People are staying out of debt. People are paying off debt. People are saving more. All those things contribute to that, and I think that's very good news.